Welcome, friends, in Financial Secrets, Trading Psychology from 5paisa.com. Introduction. For a trader to be successful, many characteristics and skills like good understanding of fundamental and technical analysis are a requisite. However, one skill that many traders overlook is the emotional skill, which is as important, if not more, than trading. Emotional and mental discipline is one of the key parameters that separate the professionals from average traders. Significance of trading psychology. A trader has to make several complex and swift trading decisions day in, day out. In order to achieve this with a certain amount of accuracy, traders need good mental balance. A lot of times emotions get in the way of the trader, making him deviate from his established trading plans, which include predefined targets and stop losses, which at times traders end up incurring huge losses as they are unable to manage their emotions during a trade. आपण ट्रेडिंग सायकोलॉजी सारखं हिट करतो, बंबार्ड करतो. ट्रेडिंग सायकोलॉजी कशासाठी, काय इम्पॉर्टन्स एवढं आपण देतो. तर ट्रेडिंग सायकोलॉजी एवढ्यासाठी इम्पॉर्टंट आहे की ती सिग्निफिकन्स ऑफ ट्रेडिंग सायकोलॉजी सिग्निफिकंट आहे, खूप सिग्निफिकंट आहे. का तर आपलं मेंटल बॅलन्स असेल, मेंटल स्टेट एकदम बॅलन्समध्ये असेल तर आपण करोडो रुपये कमवू शकतो. सो कीप युअर ब्रेन अँड माइंड इमोशन्स अंडर कंट्रोल मीन्स यू बिकम कॉम्प्युटरसारखं बना. नो नीड टू वरी अट ऑल. ओके. फ्रिक्वेंटली फेस ट्रेडिंग इमोशन्स. So, any trader trading in the financial markets constantly faces a number of emotions, wherein fear, greed, regret, and hope are the four most prominent ones. Fear is an emotion that a trader generally encounters immediately after placing a trade. Fear creeps in when the trader observes the trade go slightly against him, causing him to close out his position. When this happens, traders generally overreact and tend to liquidate their holdings, causing short spurts of extreme movements in the markets. See this. Short covering is a classical example of fear entering the minds of the trader. In the chart above, Nifty futures witnessed a swift increase in prices from 9,650 levels to 9,950 levels, where the market started to consolidate, coinciding with a gradual increase in Nifty futures open interest. Traders at this level started to create fresh short positions in the future markets, expecting the market to correct as the open interest surged higher along with a small drop in prices. As price of Nifty futures started to increase from 23rd July, fear crept in and traders who were short in the futures market had to run for a cover and close their short position. Short position म्हणजे सेल करायचं, लॉंग पोझिशन म्हणजे बाय करायचं. ओके. म्हणजे आधी सेल करायचं शॉर्ट आणि लॉंग पोझिशनमध्ये आधी बाय करायचं. युजली आपण बाय करतो, शॉर्ट पोझिशनमध्ये शॉर्ट करतो. ॲज प्राइस ऑफ निफ्टी फ्युचर्स स्टार्टेड टू इन्क्रीज फ्रॉम 23rd July, fear crept in and our trader who were short in the futures market had to run for a cover and close their short positions. This panic was observed by sharp decline in open interest positions of Nifty futures contract. Some of the other common scenarios where a trader encounters fears are cut winning position short in fear of giving profits back, hesitate in initiating the trade because of fear of a prospective loss, hang on to losing trades because of fear to take the loss. Okay. ग्रीड. आता लालची. ग्रीड म्हणजे काय, लालच. Greed is the excessive desire for profit. Profitable trade longer than is fundamentally or technically advisable in an attempt to squeeze out the last penny. Greed among traders is generally observed in a bull market when traders trade throwing caution to the winds. We all have had a latest one trade wherein we held a particular stock way too long and then sold out at break even. Greed changes the way we think and prevent us from acting in a rational manner. See this. See the chart nicely. Listing gain 67%, then high 486, then technical signal to exit at 399. Then what happens? Market fall. Currently trading 15% below exit level at 337. In the chart above of CDSL Limited, there would have been many traders who would have purchased the stock only for listing gains as the stock moved up swiftly. In the following days, greed entered their trading plan and the trader would have held on to the stock. On 14th July, the stock witnessed a sharp correction of 20%. करेक्शन म्हणजे फॉल होतो, नंतर परत वाढतो, त्याला करेक्शन म्हणतात. शार्प करेक्शन 20%, गिविंग a clear technical indication on the charts to exit the stock. Traders who did not exit the stock by letting greed get the better of them would currently be holding the stock 15% lower than the technical exit levels and 30% lower than its all-time high. Okay, मित्रांनो, good. Regret is an emotion which can come both ways. That is, a trader could regret placing a trade or regret not placing one. Regret may lead a trader to get into a trade after initially missing out because the stock moved too fast. This leads to a violation of trading discipline and could lead to traders suffering huge losses. All you need to know is it okay missing few opportunities or having a few bad trades. No one can grab all the opportunities the market offers. Once you have obtained this mindset, your trading perspective will change. See the chart of regret. Chart MRF. There will always be stocks such as MRF, Eicher Motor and Avanti Feeds that we missed out by. A missed opportunity is a missed opportunity only in the mind and is part and parcel of trading or investing in the markets. More than 4,000 companies are listed in the markets. It is not humanly possible to grab each and every opportunity. Now we will see hope, Asha. Trading based on hope is similar to gambling. A number of traders allow hope of recently prevent them from cutting their losses. When create a position in the market, bullish or bearish, we start out with a trading plan and end up on hope. When the trade goes against us, emotions such as hope enter our mind, forcing us to think that if we continue to hold on to the trade a bit longer, any loss can get erased. The only way to avoid it is to recognize the factor of hope in your trading behavior before it destroys your capital. Okay, look the chart buy at 1400 long term support for the stop. But afterward, what happens? Recognize that trade has gone wrong and exit. In the above chart of Lupin Limited, which is a weekly chart, traders could have purchased the stock at 1400 rupees, taking into consideration it was the long-term support for the stock. 2 weeks later, the stock breached its support levels. A professional trader would have cut his positions and exited with minor losses. A novice trader who let emotions get the better of him and held on to his position, hoping that it would reverse, would be facing huge losses, as the stock is currently trading at 987 levels. Okay guys, see this psychological traits of successful trader. म्हणजे आपली मानसिकता सक्सेस होण्यासाठी काय फॅक्टर्स आहे, तर हे फॅक्टर्स: नो युअर लिमिट्स अँड डू नॉट ओव्हर ट्रेड. रिस्क मॅनेजमेंट इज द की टू preserve your trading capital and attain trading success. Maintain trading discipline at all times. Stick to the trading plan set at the start of your trade. Guys, thank you. Enjoy.